Assalamu alaikum everyone. So how many times am I gonna tell you guys that subscribe, turn on the bell if you're watching for the first time. I'm gonna post some Lunc Classic updates in the coming next few days, couple of days. So if you're wondering what's going on and you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what to tell you, man. Right? Do you want me to come there in your house and grab you by the shirt and grab your fingers and force your fingers to click the subscribe and the bell? You want me to do that? No, seriously, I'm going to come to your country. I don't care where you live in. I don't care if you're in Australia, if you're in Europe right now. I'm seriously going to book a ticket and come into your house straight away and tell you to subscribe. I don't care, because I'm doing this video to bring awareness to you. So do that very quickly right now. It's my command, okay? And yesterday, a technical target 8825 was not being able to met. 8242, a little bit of manipulation, of course. Okay, it happens, but anyways, there was a trend line, right? So I wish I could have told you about this trend line. I didn't tell you about the trend line. So on the 15 minutes, there was a trend line that was actually being established along the way. So if we actually go on and we talk about it, we do have that trend line, but it was broken so quickly, like so. You can see there was not that much of a retest. Maybe on the 3 minutes there was a retest. Let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit, go back here. Yeah, there was a retest, but this actually happened on the 3 minutes time frame. So just a little bit of more clarity on the 3 minutes. So it just goes something like that. Yeah, so you can see that this was the breakdown, the retest, and then it just pushed down to where it came from. Of course, that was a really good short, by the way. That was like 28% in just few minutes. And by the way, this drop shouldn't be surprising, because when I was talking about yesterday's update, that is a that is a behavior. This is a drop that I was actually talking about, that Lunc Classic does this a lot. And it may stay down for a couple of days, right? I don't think if you're going to pump tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, it's going to take time. And in that video yesterday, we did talk about it, that whenever you do the pump, like for example, you made this pump here, you did drop down. Did you see that? And then when you pumped up here, you made that drop down, and then you went up. In here, after dropping, you went up again. And then whenever you started picking it up, you drop down and then you go up. So that little bit of drop happens. And I think that's exactly what I was pointing out in yesterday's update. There could be a little bit more drop even to come. So you have this and maybe just touch even 45.89, which is still a big deal on the lower time frame. But on the daily, it's not that much of a big deal. And then stay here maybe for a couple of days until, let's say, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, and then on the maybe third week you start to maybe even go up again, if you're meant to go up, of course, because that is the normal behavior that I think the history has actually shown us over and over. And yes, a lot of stop losses were taken. Stop here taken, right there it's taken away, in here it's taken away, right in here it was taken away. Yes, there was actually a liquidity grab to the upside, liquidity grab to the downside. So anyone was bullish when they were actually buying right over here, accumulation zone, their stop losses were taken away. And I think, a lot of people do this mistake. If you guys are going to hold long term, right, why do you put stop losses down there? For what, right? If you're going to buy and hold a coin, don't even put a stop loss. I know work with stop as a trader and trading wise, fine. But when you're investing and you're holding a coin, always be ready. Like when I asked my members on the Discord, right, there's a reason even why I actually did this post here. And a lot of people have mixed opinion. It's interesting. I want to show you this. So what do people suggest? So tell me, burger you sell at a loss, or pizza you sell till zero. So a lot of people, of course, are saying hold it. It doesn't matter if it goes to zero or not, rug pull or not, hold it. And a lot of people also say sell at loss. Okay, so some people, yes, are fine with this stop being taken away, but everyone has their own style, man. What can I say? But I say this: if you're gonna hold something, close the chart. Don't look at it. Don't look at this. Don't look at this. If you're looking to sell at a proper bull run whenever it happens, whenever it comes, maybe next year. I don't know. Hopefully next year we're going to have one. So people ask me a lot of questions. There's someone even asking me about Luna Classic. If it's going to go, and this was... yeah, so this was the question. If you think Luna Classic is pumping, is there a chance it will go parabolic if bull run happens? So if bull run happen, yes. If bull run happen, it is going to go parabolic. I mean parabolic like this. It's going to happen like that. Just like ZEC the other day was doing it. So if you look at ZEC, that's the whole meaning of a bull run. When you say a bull run, this is going to happen. You see, this is a bull run. It stayed down for... This is Luna Classic, okay? Just consider this being Luna Classic. For a long time it's down, it went parabolic. It can happen. It did happen here. A lot of people... When did this happen? Since 2022, you have been down with ZEC. So after 3 years, you did went and have that glorious moment. And it happened in from September. It started in September, ended in November. In 1 month, in just 1 month, my goodness, the coin just went 14x. So that is still a good bull run nonetheless. 14x is amazing. You don't get those anymore. But to answer the question, by the way, that is something that can actually happen. So all in all, I'm just going to wrap it all up. I think we're back again to our support zone. And you can see there's this, I'm actually going to tweak this trend line a little bit lower to that wicks because it actually bounces off the wick. So you can see that the last point of the wick is at 53.07. This one actually went to 47.21. So yes, you could expect a little bit of wick down again, maybe 4600 again. And if it comes to 4600, you guys should take an entry. You should be trading at like 46, 43. It could be a very good buying zone because that is also going to be like a 43% discount. So you could even make a quick flip of maybe 10, 15% if you do that. At that point, you definitely want to play with stop losses. So that's it for the video. And yeah, press your fingers on the bell to get these upcoming notifications because I'm interested to see what's going to happen next. And of course, if all of you guys are interested, you're also going to know a lot of Luna Classic families are pumping. You have USTC also moving up. You have Luna also moving up. But this excitement just happened in 1 day. You can see it's just a one candle and then an eternity of just very, very big stress. I'm just calling 2026 to be the last year where I have a hope of bull run, or maybe I'm going to talk about bull run. 2026, the final year, Adam Coin is going to be talking about bull run. After that, I'm not going to be talking about bull runs anymore. Of course, I'm going to do technical analysis videos, but I'm not going to say, oh man, when a bull run happened or when a bull run comes in. I'm never going to say those words anymore. Am I going to sell my coins? There's no point to do that. I'm just going to keep holding them. If it does come, it comes. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. What can I do? So that's it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.